Dear friends, title of today's story is The Greedy Lion's Night Party and Hidden Traps. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, in a dense and vibrant jungle, there lived an old lion named Leo. Leo had once been a mighty hunter, but age had caught up with him, and he could no longer hunt for his meals. Hungry and desperate, Leo came up with a clever plan to gather all the animals for a grand meal. Leo thought to himself, if I throw a grand party, all the animals will come. Then, I can choose the tastiest ones for my feast. Leo roared, Hear me, animals of the jungle. I, Leo the lion, feeling very sorry for the past. I am a vegetarian now, don't get scared of me. I am hosting a grand party tomorrow night under the stars. There will be delicious food, music, and games for everyone. Please do come. The news of the party spread quickly. The monkeys chattered excitedly, the birds sang merrily, and even the shy deer looked forward to the celebration. Leo spent the whole day preparing. He gathered fresh fruits and vegetables, but secretly, he also set up hidden traps around the party area. He asked the birds to create beautiful decorations with their colorful feathers and requested the elephants to clear a big space for the festivities. The monkeys offered to provide entertainment with their acrobatics, and the rabbits promised to help with serving food. As night fell, the jungle was lit up with the glow of fireflies. The animals arrived, curious and eager. There were fruits of all kinds, from juicy mangoes to sweet bananas. The parrots had strung up garlands of flowers, and the air was filled with the scent of jasmine. Leo welcomed everyone with a warm smile, hiding his true intentions. Thank you all for coming. Tonight, we celebrate friendship and unity. Let's have fun and remember how wonderful it is to be together. The party was lively. The monkeys performed incredible stunts, the birds sang melodious tunes, and the animals played games and danced under the moonlight. Leo moved around, eyeing the animals and deciding which ones he would feast on later. But Leo's clever plan did not go unnoticed. A wise old tortoise named Tuga had been observing Leo's unusual behavior. Sensing something was wrong, Tuga warned the other animals. Leo is up to no good. Stay alert and avoid his traps. The animals listened to Tuga and started to be more cautious. They avoided the suspicious areas and kept an eye on Leo. As the night went on, Leo noticed that his traps were empty. He grew frustrated and hungry. Seeing Leo's frustration, Tuga and a clever monkey named Momo hatched a plan. They whispered to each other and then approached Leo with big smiles. Leo, Momo said, your party is amazing, but there's one thing missing, your dance. You are the king of the jungle, and everyone wants to see you dance. Leo, flattered and eager to please, agreed. All right, I will dance for you all. He stood in the center of the party and started to dance. Momo and Tuga cheered loudly, encouraging Leo to dance more energetically. As Leo twirled and leaped, Momo and Tuga subtly guided him towards one of his own traps. The other animals, catching on to the plan, joined in the cheering, making Leo more enthusiastic. In his excitement, Leo didn't notice where he was going. With one final leap, he landed right into his own trap. The net closed around him, and he was caught. The animals erupted in laughter and cheers. Leo, embarrassed and humbled, realized the error of his ways. He struggled to free himself but soon gave up and sighed. Tuga approached him and said, Leo, you wanted to trick us, but your greed caught you in your own trap. Maybe now you understand the importance of honesty and friendship. Leo nodded, feeling ashamed. The animals helped free him from the trap, and Leo apologized sincerely. He ate the fruits and vegetables and enjoyed the performances, all while being watched closely by the other animals. By the end of the night, Leo understood the importance of friendship and unity. He saw how happy the animals were together and felt a pang of guilt for his greedy intentions. From that night on, Leo changed his ways. He became a more caring and considerate lion, organizing parties for the joy of all and never for his selfish gains. The jungle became a happier place, with all the animals living in harmony and celebrating together. This story teaches us that greed and cleverness, when used for selfish purposes, can ultimately be harmful to oneself. It is always better to be honest and kind, as true friendship and unity bring lasting happiness and harmony. If you liked the story, please like, share, and subscribe us. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.